In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan QR code on Android phone. So there are two ways to do this. The first one is check your phone settings if you have your QR code settings here. Now if you don't have, just click on the search icon here, and then you will see here the scan button. So just click that one, and then you can now scan any QR code. So for example, I'll be scanning the Wikipedia. So just wait for it to load up, and then you will be directed to their Wikipedia page. There you go. So let's move on to the second step. Just go ahead and install any QR scanner in your Play Store, and then scan the one that we scanned earlier. And again, just click the URL, and then you will be directed to Wikipedia page. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.